Recently, I have tested another Forex Expert Advisor that is specially designed for Euro USD pair and it can also pass any platform challenges. In this video, I will share the testing results of this Expert Advisor. So let's see which one it is. This is the Shredder Euro USD H1 Expert Advisor version 1 for MT4 Unlimited. Available on our official website u4xea.com. But first, I'll share the original product that is available on M12.5 marketplace for nearly $500. And this product has been published recently on 9th of January 2025. This is the developer and this is the latest version that is version 1. So here I have this expert advisor file. This is the installation instruction. In case you need any assistance while installing this expert advisor, you can contact us directly on our Telegram group and we will assist you immediately. So this is how this expert advisor's user interface looks like, and by the interface you can say this expert advisor is really active and it has placed a lot of trades here. So here we will see a lot of detailed information. So I have placed this expert advisor on the Euro USD pair and H1 time frame as recommended by the developer himself. So let me show you now the entire history section where this expert advisor has given me a huge amount of profit I can see with minor losses as well. Because where there is profit, there will always be some losses. And this expert advisor has placed a lot of trades with 0.10 lot size. So I started experimenting on this expert advisor with a random date that started from 2024 December 20 till today. December 20 was the starting date and today is 20th of January. So I tested this expert advisor with 1 month of time span. So let's see how much profit we have gained. So here is the entire balance section you can see. Here is the final graph section and now we will see the report section. I started with $1,000 of deposit amount for this account and here is my initial deposit that is 1000. So this is the total net profit amount that this expert advisor has given us that is $687.46 of profit. But this expert advisor has a huge drawdown rate. Let me show you now the drawdown we have received is 37.78%. That is a huge drawdown rate. If I show you this expert advisor, you can see this expert advisor, the developer has mentioned the pair that is Euro USD H1 time frame. And for every single trade, he has taken a lot size that is very low, and the balance amount that is recommended is $1,000 only. So if you try this expert advisor on a small account, your account can get blown because it has a huge drawdown, a really huge drawdown. So try this expert advisor on a $500 minimum or at least $1,000 account for safer results. Otherwise, you can try one thing, try this expert advisor on a demo account first, then try it on a small real account. Try Euro USD and H1 time frame for optimal results. This expert advisor is available on our official website u4xea.com for just $135. You will get the identical results. And this price is for website only. If you purchase this product directly from us via our Telegram group U4X Premium, you will get additional 10% discount. So here is our group U4X Premium. This is the joining link and I have given the joining link in the description section of this video. Check it out and join our channel for more such profitable and low cost expert advisors. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end with me. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more such expert advisor and indicator honest review videos. Thank you so much for watching. Visit again.
Additionally, we can crack or unlock any expert advisor that you provide us via our official website u4x.net or our official Telegram group at the rate u4x Asia. Link is given in the description section. We will give you a pricing to remove the comments, license timing, or unlimited accounts for either MT5 or MT4 or both. price of the MT5 is higher than the MT4. Thank you.